Hi, in this session we're talking about computer networks. Now when we think of a network, we're really talking about all of the computers and various devices either in a particular building or a larger geographical area being connected in some way so that we can communicate between those devices. And then when we think of the internet, we are talking about a large network of networks. So in this particular session, we'll talk about the terms used in networking, identify different ways of building a network, and we'll identify the salient features of the 7-layer OSI model and the TCP and UDP network protocols. So let's look at the terms first. So this is a simple computer network. So here you see that there is a switch, and then here there is a scanner and a couple of workstations and a printer all connected together. And that's an example of a simple computer network which can be in an office setup. So there are various types of networks. The common terms associated are LANs, MANs, or WANs, but though LAN is the local area network, this is the most commonly used term. And this connects devices over a relatively small distance. And then you have the MAN, or the metropolitan area network, which covers an area in between a LAN and a WAN, so typically about less than 30 miles in size. And a WAN can be thought of as a wide area network, which is used over an extremely large geographical distance, geographical area such as the federal government. And we can think of the internet as the largest WAN, or the wide area network. And then there are other terms called WLAN or wireless LAN, CAN or campus area network, or PAN as personal area network, and so on. So these are a few terms used in networking. There's a term node, which is anything that is physically connected to the network. So here a computer or a printer or a scanner, any of these can be considered as a node. And then a workstation is one of those computers connected over here. And then there is a concept of a client and a server. So client is the one that receives the data over a network, and a server can send data over to multiple clients. And the same computer can serve as both a client or a server at different times, depending on what you're doing with it. And the host is also the one that gives data.